So hold on to your culture. Don't recreate yourself in somebody else's image. The Muslims here should not become Arabs. The Arabs are Arabs because they're Arabs. You're Malayu because you're Malayu. Every culture is distinct and unique. Our Prophet ﷺ honored cultures. He spoke to every tribe in their dialect. Why did he do that? Because he was honoring their culture. When the Yemenis came, he said, they were fasting and traveling, he said, "Laysa min bir siyam fim safar," or kama qal. He spoke in a Himyari dialect. Why would he do that? Because he wanted to make them feel, I'm one of you. I'm not different from you. And now we have Muslims from indigenous cultures that adopt the clothes of another people, that adopt, and in the great book of the Shafi'i scholar Al-Mawardi, he said, مخالفة العرف في اللباس من الحماقة والسفه, that to go against the culture of a people in the way they dress is from stupidity and foolishness, because you alienate yourself. Now, obviously, if you're a visitor to a country and you're wearing your traditional clothes, that's another thing. But when you live amongst a people, you should dress like the people. And this is why the Muslims have always dressed like the cultures that they lived in. Obviously, there are modest issues. There are issues of modesty because we adhere to modesty. But honor your own culture. These are your people. And you should be proud of your culture and your people. Don't lose sight of who you are and try to be somebody who you're not. Our Prophet wore clothes from Yemen, from Ethiopia, from the Byzantine. He had a Byzantine robe that was dayiq. It's almost like Europeans always have had tight clothes. But he had one that had, the akmam were dayiqa. Why did he wear clothes from other cultures? That wasn't the habit of the Arabs. I believe he did it because nobody could say, this is the sunnah of the Prophet in clothes. Wallahu a'lam. Jazakumullah khairan wa assalamu alaikum.